A box for a fox. Stay tuned.
Hello everybody, this is Faith Robin, the Sparkly Beater. Today we have this box that I ordered from Angela Irene at Age to Goodness. So let's see what is inside. I opened the tape because we'd be here forever. She always does such a great job of taping everything up. Okay, let's see. All right. Well, let's see what's in the box. Ooh. Oh, pretty. Oh, nice. Let's move some of this out of the way here. These are all glass and ceramic beads. I'm looking for the clasp, but I'm thinking this goes over the head. And listen, there are little bells on here. Isn't that cute? So this is a necklace. Really pretty. There, we have blue beads, kind of a midnight blue. Really nice. We have the rosary type connections on the beads. And, oh, look at these. Aren't these nice? Look at that. Looks like some lampwork style beads. This one's interesting. Okay, really pretty. All right. So, put that aside. Really loving that. Okay, and we go from boho to elegant. Daytime to nighttime in the same box. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so these are glass, crystal, and pearl. And these seem to be glass pearls on here. Really pretty. Long necklace. Has a lobster claw and an extender. Very nice. I would say beautiful for evening wear. These are very interesting. They have, you can see that, those wavy things inside there. Really pretty. Really technical language there, are these wavy things inside there, but really pretty. So those are nice pieces there. All right, let's see what we have in this one. Okay. Time to pull the scissors out. Oh, nice. Another sparkly piece. You know me. I'm all about the sparkly. Okay. Oh, look at the sparkle. Oh my. Okay, so this is another necklace. Oh, nice. Look at this. It looks like a gunmetal type of chain with a lobster claw. We have sort of a lilac or lilac gray type pearls, and these crystals on here are really unusual shape. So bring them up close to you. They're not they're not bicones, they're not rounds, they're very different shape, but really pretty and very sparkly. So, and they have a purple color to them, so really nice. Okay, and next, let's see. Ooh, this one is also very nice. Wow. Okay, let's shake it out here. Okay, what we have here is this one is in black and silver and gray tones, and it is marked Coldwater Creek. Nice piece. Bring it up a little higher for you so you can see the bottom part of it. It has the stones are cold. It has some nice metallic beads down here at the bottom. Really pretty. Really pretty. Nice piece. Okay. And then I've got, on that last piece there's some seed beads too. I forgot to mention that. Let's see what we have here. Oh, earrings. Ah, yes, earrings. Oh, look. Oh, these are lovely. They're, they have the silver pearls and rhinestones and kind of a gunmetal findings. They could actually go very nicely with this Coldwater Creek necklace. That would go together very nicely as a set.
Next to it.
I don't think so, because these are really quite gray and silver, and these are lilac. So I don't think this would be a good match. But it would blend very well with this one. So that would make a nice set. Oh, and these are nice. These are nice. Gold. Very pretty. Nice dangles. Those are nice. And actually, these would go well with the first necklace. I think this would look nice together. This one and this one, I think, would go nicely together. So, okay. And then, oh, aren't these adorable? Oh, look at these. Blue stones, very delicate, very pretty. Little tiny blue rhinestones. So cute. And these are all pierced. This last one, these are on posts. So the others are on wires. And then this pair, which has cat eye stones on it. Let me take these out so you can actually see the cat eye shimmer. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. So if you can see that cat eye, and it's both in the round and this teardrop stone has the cat eye effect. See that? Pretty aqua color. Very nice. And it has this little flower motif on it as well. So that's pretty. That's nice. Okay. And we have another bag here. Let's see. Oh, how cute. This is so delicate. Oh, how pretty. Let me move some of this stuff off so you can actually get a good look at this. This is a very delicate chain here, and it has these little crystal stations right here. I'll bring it up close so you can see it. Little crystal stations. There. Oops. So it's quite long. There we go. Very delicate. Pretty. Some people don't like big clunky jewelry. They prefer delicate, and so that would be something for them. Okay. And then we have, this is a hematite piece. Some people really don't like hematite. I find it fascinating, quite frankly. Both the magnetic and non-magnetic hematite. This is vintage from the barrel clasp there. And what I like about this piece was that it has these round hematite beads and pink cat eye beads in between. So it was beaded with these pink cat eye beads. I think it's pretty. Okay, so we have that. And let's just see if this is the magnetic hematite or the non-magnetic hematite. This would be the non-magnetic hematite. Not sticking to my magnetic bowl there. Okay. And I got a lot of necklaces this time. Oh, this is pretty. So this, I'm not usually fond of waxy cords, but this was just so pretty. This is, I believe, fluorite. So these beads on here are actual gemstone. They're fluorite. Let me bring them up closer so you can see. Really, really pretty fluorite stones. Actually, so you can see the color on there. The greens and the pinks of that. Just beautiful. And then it's on this braided cord, and then it ends in these gold cones with a lobster claw. Okay. All right. And then the next one is another very delicate piece. This goes over the head. There's no, very long. I want you to see how long this is. It starts here and it just goes and goes and goes and goes, and there's the end. So it's these really pretty beads, and they're sort of a light amethyst color. It just goes over the head. Very nice. Okay. And then this one, another necklace. Ooh, blues and golds. These actually look like either sodalite or lapis to me. Let me get it straightened out here so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, okay, so this is a 3-layered necklace, 3-tiered, different chain here. Let's see. So this is what the bottom part looks like. There's these this chain, and then these little blue beads here are either sodalite or lapis. Some of them look like sodalite, but then I see little gold flecks in them, so might be lapis. It has a lobster claw on it right here, and sort of a brass look to it. Nice piece. Nice piece. So, okay, and then there was an extra little gift in here. Let's see what's in this package. Oh my, look at this. We've got some supplies here. This is beautiful. This is a bead that is I'm not sure if it's howlite or magnesite, but it's beautiful, and it has a crystal on the end, so it's a beautiful pendant. Really pretty pendant. And then here's another. This looks like it could possibly be jade, or yeah, and it's got a little crystal piece on the end with emerald colored stones. Another type pendant piece. We have a beautiful focal spacer piece here with a beautiful red stone in there. Gorgeous. We have a glass crystal type piece here. Look at how that sparkles. Oh my. And this, oh my goodness, look at this bead. I'm going to have to get this out of the plastic so you can see it. It is just beautiful. Oh my. Oh, it has an AB crystal at the top and bottom. And this flower, look at the work on here. Isn't that beautiful? It has little blue flowers and pink flowers. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. What a beautiful bead. So we have all these lovely beads that can serve as pendants here. So here is my aged goodness haul. I'm really pleased with it. All my earrings and necklaces. Oh my goodness, and just look at all this sparkle, folks. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell for further notifications. Please comment. And be sparkly. Bye-bye.